Having loads of seeds,
yeah.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Not the white, no, it's pointed. No, they had 4 siblings earlier in the year.
Well, the swans?
Yeah. When they have that, the male one goes away and leaves her to starve. As soon as they all grow up, then he comes back. Typical.
But they mate for life, don't they?
Yeah. But you don't help her with the sickness, you go. You never see them together.
Those are mallards, those back there, mallards. Where did the boat go to then?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
It's a cruise, is it?